In this video, I am going to show you how to crochet this cute carrot treat bag which makes a perfect gift for this Easter. You can put some chocolates or jewelry or any small items into it. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to DIY Crafts. For this project, I am using cotton 4-ply yarn of orange and green color. However, you can use acrylic and along with its suitable hook size. Now begin with a magic ring and then chain 3. Consider this chain 3 as your first double crochet stitch in your first row. Now let's start making the first row double crochet stitches. That's the second double crochet stitch, third, and we have to make total of 8 double crochet stitches. That's the fourth one, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we have chain 3 as first double crochet stitch and then 7 double crochet stitches, which makes a total of 8 stitches in your first row. Now close the magic ring tightly and then make a slip stitch onto the third chain of the first chain 3. This completes your row 1. Now let's start making the second row. For this, begin with chain 3 and consider this chain 3 as first double crochet stitch in the first stitch, and then in the next stitch make a double crochet stitch increase, that is 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch. Now make 1 DC into the next stitch and a DC increase into the next stitch. So we are going to repeat this pattern of 1 DC and a DC increase throughout the row. 1 DC and DC increase. Continue this throughout the row. And here we have done the last increase of the second row, and then make a slip stitch onto the third chain of the first chain 3. And this completes your second row, and you will have a total of 12 stitches in your second row. Now chain 3. Consider this as a DC in your third row, and into the next stitch make 1 DC. So this means we have 2 double crochet stitches completed, and then into the next stitch make a DC increase. So for this row we are going to repeat the pattern of 2 DC and a DC increase. That's the second DC, and then in the next stitch we have a DC increase. So repeat this pattern throughout the row until you reach the starting point. Now here I am making the last increase of third row, that is 2 DCs into the same stitch. Then make a slip stitch into the first stitch, and this completes your third row with 16 double crochet stitches. Now for fourth row, chain 3 and into the next 2 stitches make 1 double crochet stitch in each stitch. This makes a total of 3 double crochet stitches. And into the next stitch make a DC increase, that is 2 DCs into the same stitch. So for this row we are going to repeat this pattern of 3 double crochet stitches followed by an increase. That's the second double crochet stitch and the third double crochet stitch. Into the next stitch we have a DC increase. Repeat this pattern throughout the row until you reach the first stitch. Here I am making the last increase of fourth row. Now make a slip stitch onto the third chain of the first chain 3. And this completes your fourth row with 20 double crochet stitches. Now let's start making the fifth row. Begin with chain 3 and now make 1 double crochet stitch in each and every stitch throughout the row. Just 1 DC in each and every stitch. From here on there will not be any increases. We will just continue to make double crochet stitches until you complete row 8. So now I am making the last double crochet stitch of the 8th row, and then make a slip stitch onto the top of the chain 3 of the 8th row. Now chain 1 and trim the thread by leaving a small tail end. This completes the base of a treat bag. Now for the carrot greens, we are going to change the color to green. Insert the green thread into any of the stitches on the 8th row. Begin with chain 4, and now this row is your 9th row. Now into the same stitch, make one triple crochet stitch. Again into the next stitch, make a triple crochet stitch increase. For this particular row, we are going to make triple crochet stitch increases in each and every stitch, which means 2 triple crochet stitches into the same stitch, and we are going to work this throughout the row. Yarn over twice and make a triple crochet stitch increases into each and every stitch. We are going to repeat this TC increase throughout the row until you reach the starting point. Here we are making the last TC increase into the last stitch, and this completes your 9th row with 40 triple crochet stitches. Make a slip stitch into the chain 4, chain 1, and trim the excess thread by leaving a small tail end. We are going to weave in these ends. We are going to weave in all these ends using a tapestry needle, and then trim the excess threads. Now this completes the carrot treat bag. Now let's work on making the drawstring for this bag. For making a drawstring, again we are using the same green color 4-ply cotton yarn and making chain 50. After making chain 50, trim the excess thread by leaving a small tail end and make a slip knot and secure your work. And now let's attach this drawstring to the treat bag using a tapestry needle. Insert your needle onto the top of your 8th row, that is where your 9th row is sitting. So weave in and weave out for each and every stitch and pull the drawstring through those stitches. Weave in and weave out throughout the row. Now adjust the strings, and that's it. Your cute carrot treat bag is ready. As I have already told you, you can put in some chocolates or jewelry or any small gift items into it and lock the drawstring to make it a carrot treat bag. This is perfect for gifting for your Easter. I even tried this pattern with an acrylic yarn, and this is how the treat bag looks like when used an acrylic yarn. And the left side is made using a cotton yarn. You can take a call depending on whichever look you need it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this tutorial. Do give this pattern a try and let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. See you all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, share it and subscribe to DIY Crafts.